Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to read HSC 2022 syllabus, Higher Secondary Certificate Examination 2022. English first paper, short syllabus. Title of the chapter, Unit 6, Lesson 2, Adolescence and some related problems in Bangladesh. Adolescence and some related problems in Bangladesh. And serial number of short syllabus 25, 26 and 27. Serial number of classes. These classes will deal in 3 classes. Let us try to cover up in 1 class. But according to the serial number of Ministry of Education, 25, 26 and 27, according to short syllabus. Now let us see the title, Adolescence and some related problems in Bangladesh. বয়সন্ধিকাল এবং বাংলাদেশে এ সম্পর্কিত কিছু সমস্যা। বয়সন্ধিকাল এবং বাংলাদেশে এ সম্পর্কিত কিছু সমস্যা। This lesson describes some common problems of adolescent in Bangladesh. Though adolescents, both boys and girls, are potential resource of a country, there is gender discrimination. The adolescent girls are subjected to abuse, subordination, and deprivation of education. A good number of adolescent girls are married off at the time of which makes them vulnerable to greater health risk at the time of pregnancy and delivery. Due to the lack of health information, they cannot take care of themselves. Besides, they are the victims of dowry and torture by in-laws. As they are married off early, they are detached from education and so from friends, which curtails their economic opportunity. Though adolescent boys get more opportunities, they also lack health awareness. Even they often get involved in criminal activities and addicted to drugs and alcohol in the absence of parental guidance. এই পরিচ্ছেদে বাংলাদেশের কিশোর কিশোরীদের কিছু সাধারণ সমস্যা বর্ণনা করা হয়েছে। যদিও কিশোর ও কিশোরী উভয়ই একটি দেশের সম্ভাবনাময় সম্পদ, এক্ষেত্রে লিঙ্গ বৈষম্য রয়েছে। কিশোরীরা নির্যাতন, বশ্যতা ও শিক্ষা হতে বঞ্চনার শিকার। উল্লেখযোগ্য সংখ্যক কিশোরীকে বিয়ে দিয়ে দেওয়া হয়, যা গর্ভধারণ ও সন্তান জন্মদানের সময় তাদেরকে ব্যাপক স্বাস্থ্য ঝুঁকিতে ফেলে। স্বাস্থ্যগত তথ্যের অভাবের কারণে তারা নিজেদের যত্ন নিতে পারে না। পাশাপাশি তারা শ্বশুরবাড়ির লোকদের হাতে যৌতুক ও নির্যাতনের শিকার হয়। কম বয়সে বিয়ে হয়, তারা শিক্ষা থেকে বঞ্চিত ও বন্ধুদের থেকে বিচ্ছিন্ন হয়ে পড়ে, যা তাদের আর্থিক সুযোগ সুবিধা হ্রাস করে। যদিও কিশোররা অধিক সুবিধা লাভ করে, তাদের স্বাস্থ্য সচেতনতা কম থাকে। এমনকি মা বাবার দিক নির্দেশনার অভাবে তারা প্রায়ই অপরাধমূলক কর্মকাণ্ডে জড়িয়ে পড়ে এবং মাদক ও মদের প্রতি আসক্ত হয়ে পড়ে। দিস ইজ দ্য সিনপসিস সামারি of the passage, the adolescence and some related problems in Bangladesh. Now let us go to the text. What does each of the photograph shows? The first photograph shows a mother and her child. This is some picture. The first photograph shows a mother and a child. What are some typical health problems affecting adolescent boys and girls? তরুণ তরুণীদের আক্রান্ত করা কিছু বিশেষ স্বাস্থ্যগত সমস্যা কি কি? আনসার: Some health problems affecting adolescent boys and girls are undernourishment, anemia, unintended pregnancy, and infection of HIV. What do you think are more vulnerable to adolescent health problems, boys or girls? তোমার ছেলে মেয়েদের মধ্যে কারা বসন্তকালের স্বাস্থ্যগত সমস্যাগুলোতে সহজে পীড়িত হয় তুমি মনে করো, কেন? I think girls are more vulnerable to adolescent health problems because girls get married earlier than boys and have children earlier too. Besides, married girls have to work at in-laws' house as a result they have physical problems. Adolescent. Now let us go to the text. Adolescent constitute a nation's core resource for national renewal and growth. Adolescence is a period in life when transition from childhood to adulthood takes place and behaviors and lifestyles are shaped. According to the World Health Organization, adolescence is the period which shapes the future of girls and boys' lives. There are 28 million adolescents in Bangladesh and 30.7 million of them are girls and 14.3 million boys. The situation of adolescent girls in Bangladesh is characterized by inequality and subordination within the family and society. This inequality leads to widespread practice of child marriage, marginalization or exclusion from health education and economic opportunities, and vulnerability to violence and sexual abuse. Number 2. In Bangladesh, the legal age of marriage is 18 for girls and 21 for boys. However, 33% of adolescent girls are married before at the age of 15 and 60% become mothers by the age of 19. Research finds that adolescents with higher level of education and from more affluent families tend to marry at a later age. Boys, however, become ready for marriage only after several years of adolescence and young adulthood. When a girl gets married, she usually drops out of school and begins full time work in her in law's household. In the in law's house, she is marginalized. She becomes vulnerable to all forms of abuse, including dowry related violence. In Bangladesh, it is still common for a bride's family to pay dowry. Despite the practice being illegal, dowry demands can also continue after wedding. For an adolescent bride, even if her in laws are supportive, there are greater health risks in terms of pregnancy and childbirth. The majority of adolescent brides and their families are uninformed or insufficiently informed about reproductive health and contraceptions. The maternal mortality rate for adolescents is double the national rate. Number 5. When adolescents girls are pulled out of school, either for marriage or work, they often lose their mobility, their friends, and social status. The lack of mobility among adolescent girls also curtails their economic and non formal educational opportunities. Moreover, they lack information about health issues. According to a study, only about 3 in 5 adolescents have even heard of HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. It is also reported that more than 50% of adolescent girls are undernourished and suffer from anemia. Adolescent fertility is also high in Bangladesh. The contribution of the adolescent fertility rate to the total fertility rate increased from 20.3% to in 1993 to 24.4% in 2007. Moreover, neonatal mortality is another concern for younger mothers. While the situation for adolescent boys is somewhat bitter, many are vulnerable and lack the power to make decisions about their own lives. Many boys who are unable to go to school or are unemployed remain unaware of social or health issues. They are at considerable risk of being drawn into criminal activities. They are also more likely to get exposed to drugs and alcohol. This is the passage about the adolescent and some related problems in Bangladesh. Now there are some clarification about the passage. Since some adolescent girls have higher level of education, they have a tendency of getting married at a later age. বলা হয়েছে যাদের লেখাপড়া বেশি তারা সাধারণত একটু দেরিতেই বিবাহ বন্ধনে আবদ্ধ হয়। As boys are usually more concerned about their financial independence, they get married several years after adolescence and young adulthood. Many girls drop out of school after marriage because they have to work all day long at their in-laws' household. Since married girls have no status and bargaining power in their in-laws' house, they become victims of domestic violence. As most adolescent brides have no or little knowledge of reproductive health and contraception, this leads to increased mortality rate among adolescents bride during childbirth. Since many adolescent boys are unemployed and unaware of many social or health issues, they have the risk of getting involved in criminal activities, including drug abuse. This is the passage about adolescence and some related problems in Bangladesh. Okay, let us go to the Bangla version of the passage. Okay, thank you everybody.